everybody, it's Neon. Check out this. This is the FELTYBED or FELTYBED, I don't know, waterproof mattress pad. So we're gonna check this thing out and see how it goes and stick it on the bed. So here we go. So it comes wrapped up like this. It seems like it's very compressed in the air. Super soft. Whoa. Okay, so here is what it looks like here. So I'm going to show you real close. It's like fabric-y, so it's definitely there. It seems like it'd be really breathable. Check. Maybe, I don't know. So, okay, so it looks like it's going to be one of those ones where, so let's see, so it goes over. Okay, so here we go. So it is waterproof. You can see on the back here, it's got like a plastic kind of backing, but then it's a really soft top. And it's not going to be the zipper one. It's just going to go over the top like that. So let's show you guys what I'm talking about here. It goes over it like that, and then sheet will go over it. I'm not sure even what to show. So I don't know if I can really show it on the bed due to the fact that I'll be putting sheets on top of it. But it feels really soft, and just laying on it like this, I'm gonna say it's soft, and it seems even breathable because the top part of it would be breathable, and the bottom part would be the waterproof part. So this will be good. I'm gonna put this on, put the sheets on it after it, but it'll probably be good for like when the dogs and stuff sleep up here. So if they pee in bed or anything like that, which they seem to like to do, we could just take this off and it'll save the nice fancy mattress underneath. So I'm gonna say this is a really nice, soft, good, nice that it's waterproof, and it's nice that it's not zipper, so I can just take it off and wash this as well. So totally cool. I like it. Thumbs up. And it's this one here. So pick it up for sure.